Changing out the door lock actuator on the Landrover Discovery Series 2. This clip here I found really hard, but now that it's out it's obviously quite easy. This is the linkage to the handle. It's actually just swings shut and clips in, grabs hold of the linkage. Obviously the car's old as Methuselah, so everything's quite brittle. That's the exterior door handle linkage. This is the push button linkage. They just pop in. Door handle interior here. It clips into the back of here. Little loops down to there. Bit of a challenge. Have to remove the door frame from around the window. This bolt here. Then there's this bolt here on the inside of the jamb. 2 bolts down in here on the track. One on the inside. One on the exterior over there. Also there's a bolt up here just beneath the wing mirror. They're the 5 main bolts that hold in the window. As you can see, I didn't have to remove the glass. Yeah, just thought I've googled it. There's no posts. This is the exterior handle. There's nothing on YouTube on how to get this off, so I was very dubious. There's the connection to the handle. I tried to prise it open, but there's a lot of interconnecting parts there, so started to remove the handle, but removing the screw here to remove the handle, but it wasn't required. Hope this is of assistance to somebody.